Hey Feds, here's a question for you that I received at one of our workshops recently. Can I have two Roths? Well, how can you have two Roths? Wait, how is that? Well, you can actually have a Roth in the TSP and then a Roth outside of the TSP that you contribute to as well. And you can do that. However, they go by different rules. They're not exactly the same. And so it's important that you put the right amount of money in the right way, and then it's drawn out the right way, and then it's done carefully, but it very well can be done. And that's one point I wanted to just mention, is that the rules inside the TSP for housing your money and having it grow and pulling it out and all that are can be very different than the rules if your money was outside of the TSP. Sometimes the money in your TSP, the rules are better. Sometimes they're not. In fact, a lot of times they're not better than what you can have if it was outside. I'm not saying that you should put your money outside. I'm not saying that you should keep it there. I'm not commenting on any of that. But I do want to mention that you can't just assume that the rules apply. And so what you're trying to do as you build up your money and as you're thinking about retirement is, where should you have your money at what point of your career and into retirement? Because there are pros and cons to both. And what you want to do is play it off of each other and have your money in the right spot at the right time to take advantage of the rules of each of those when you can. So it's a timing game. It isn't just, is it best here or is it best there? No, it's a lot more complicated than that, but very figure outable. I like that word, figure outable. Use it. Like, share, subscribe. Come learn more words at our workshop.